So now let us move towards the next part, that is the working of electric motor. Okay. So for this, what we have to do is that we will name this coil as A, B, C and D. Okay. How will the current flow? The current will always flow from the positive terminal towards the negative terminal. Okay. So the current will be flowing like this in the coil, and here it will be flowing. So the current in AB, CD is in opposite direction to the current in AB, right? Next, there is a magnetic magnets which are placed. That is what, north pole and south pole, right? So between these two magnets there will be a magnetic field, right? So let this be the magnetic lines of magnetic field. Okay, these are the magnetic lines. Okay, so what will happen? We know this Fleming's what? This is what Fleming's left hand rule. Okay, this is what? This is Fleming's left hand rule. According to this rule, what? This is the force of conductor. This is the direction of magnetic field, and this is what? The direction of current. So now we'll apply this law over here. Okay. So what we know? What is the direction of current? The direction of current is this way. So we'll place a thumb in the direction of current. Okay. Then where is the magnetic field? What is the direction of magnetic field? It is this way, right? It is from north pole towards south pole. So the direction of magnetic field is this way. And what is the direction of force? It will be perpendicular. The direction of force which will be experienced by what? AB. Because the direction of current in AB is this way, right? Direction of current in AB is this way, and the force is this way. Then the force will experience by this side of the coil AB is how it is towards me. So it will be moving like this. How? It will be moving anti-downwards. This AB will move downwards. Okay. Then what about CD? CD will be exactly opposite to what it was happening in AB, right? This is what? This is what? The current which is going in CD. This is the magnetic lines of field, and this is what? This is what? It is the force which will be experienced in conductor. Okay. So this will be flowing. The force was coming like this, right? This is the current, this is the magnetic field, and this is the force. So it will be moving like this, right? So how is this coil moving? It is moving how? It is moving anti-clockwise, right? How is it moving? Anti-clockwise, right? The coil, this coil will start moving anti-clockwise. Then what will happen? After half rotation, what will happen? This AB side will come. Where it will come? AB will go here and CD will come here. After half rotation, this coil will interchange its direction, right? So AB is here and CD is here originally. So after its half rotation, where will AB go? AB will go here. A, this will be B, this will be C, and this will be D. Right. Half rotation, what will happen is that this AB will go here and CD will come here. And also what will happen? This split rings have also changed their direction. Suppose this was the split ring has also changed this direction. Okay. So what will happen? Now the CD will move down. Before, first what was happening? The CD was moving upwards, and AB it was here and it was moving downwards. Now what will happen? The CD has come here and AB has gone there, right? So the CD will move downwards and AB will move upwards, and the motor will start moving anti-clockwise in this direction. Okay. And if you want to move this motor in the clockwise direction, then what should you do? What should be done so that the motor will move in a clockwise direction? What should be done? Right? This is my question. What you have to do? You have to simply reverse the polarity of the battery. Right? Then what will happen? The current will flow in which direction? The current will flow in this direction, right? When the current will flow in this direction, the rotation of the motor will be in clockwise direction. Okay, so the motor can be, it is a universal motor. It can be run in clockwise direction also, and it can be run in anti-clockwise direction also. The only thing is that you have to take care of the polarity in which you have to run. Okay, if it is if we connect the battery in this way, it can be run in clockwise direction, and before the battery was in reverse polarity and it was running in anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so are we clear with this working of motor? Now we'll move on towards the next topic.